How to use this feature. Before using this feature, you should have your scene all prepared for final animation rendering. And you need to bake the scene for faster rendering. Once the baking is done, switch to EEVEE and click Viewport Shading. Now, click the button next to the Viewport Shading. And under the heading Compositor, click Always. Click Show All to have all layers visible to the camera. Turn off overlays. You might want to play the viewport animation for a final checkup. When you are satisfied, check out the export file format and adjust it as needed. And finally, go to View and click Render Play Blast. And here's the final animation.